Hello there. I am Mark Grange, and behold my fabulous dog feeding machine. Now, you're probably wondering how this machine works. But first, we have to take a marble out of my sack of mystery. And put it into this thing right here, which will then knock it down these inclined planes, and hopefully it will actually go into this tube right here. Upon going through this tube, it will fall down this screw. It will fall down this screw. Now, the reason that you see these pieces of tape right here is because, as they say, the marble was coming in too hot. So I had to add friction. As you see, upon going through the screw, it will knock over these dominoes, which will do this. So knocking these levers over here, knocking over this cup, which is attached to a door hinge, into a funnel right here, into my dog's food bowl. And if we could get the girl herself, Singer. Unfortunately, Zinger will not be joining us today, but I thank you for watching this presentation of my fabulous dog feeding machine.